This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 82 of Building Eleanor. We've got the engine that we assembled last time. We're going to be doing some more with that. We're going to be fitting that into the car. But first we've got a few more things to add to it. We've got our little grip tray sort of thing that goes on there. That will just go over there, get it the right way around. The fan's that end, that's that end. So it goes that way around. And we'll go over the two little posts. Just like that. Hold that in place. There is a DS02 screw. I think I've probably got one of those in my packs that I've already got. 07. 02. There we go. So save opening that other packet. Use the one spare that we had. Here we go. So let's get that, holding that together. Nice. Then we have, thank you very much, Fanhome, for making it this way. Look, all the cables are connected already. You don't have to play around with connecting one end of the cables to everything. That's lovely. I'm very much happy with that. So this will go onto the top, into this hole there. Again, there is a flat side, so you need to get it the right way round. That just connects in there like that. There we go. And then we've got these to connect nice and easy. We've got the 4 holes that these plug into. One at that end into there. Next one in there. I'll do all those, and the same on the other side. Then we've got the other little piece that attaches. That goes to somewhere. The end of that goes into there. The other plug bit goes into the other hole on the other side. Got to get that in there somehow like that. And that around there somehow like that. Not in there. That bit definitely goes over there. Get that lined up. Goes in there. Can't quite make out where the flat side on that is. Oh, there is one. Right, let me get these plugged in, get that fixed in, and then we'll figure out and bring in the car. Okay, before I bring the car in place, I'll show you where this goes. That blows into the top there. So there's still a hole there for something, but I don't know why. But that does go there where I thought. All of those connect up as they should. So I'm happy with how all that's gone together. It's certainly easier than having to plug around both ends of the tubes. So that is that. So far, so good. We've obviously got a big hole there to fill up as well. So now I need to bring in the car itself and fit this in place. Right, that seems to be easier than I was expecting it to be. It just holds in place with 2 screws at the moment that go through there. So if you get that lined up like I just had it and then picked it up again. One thing I was making sure I'm doing is getting these wires out of the way, so they're not going to be caught up down underneath it. Get all of those out of the way. And that just drops in place on there. It does. Honest, it did. You just saw it, didn't you? Just pulled that off as well. So I might need a little bit of glue to hold that in place because that's not as tight as I would like. There we go. That just goes on there like so. And we've just got 2 screws to hold that together. For now, anyway, I'm sure there's obviously other things going to connect up. Actually, yeah, you need to make sure these connect up as well. So this needs to bend out just a little bit more. Slot into that gap down there. Be aware of that if you're putting one of these together yourself. If you are, pop into the comments. Let me know how you're getting on as well. Let me know if you're having the same troubles that I've had. So there we have it. That is that all connected up and good to go. So I will add a little bit of glue to hold that in place. I think I'll put it back in place one more time. If it comes out again, then I can glue that in place. It's just that the tube that connects it up is not used to being that shape. It came flat in the packet. Now it's got to be all twisted up and round. Not really a good fit for in there. The other end of it comes off as well. Yeah, I'll get that glued together. So yeah, for now, that is that all connected up. All done. Thank you very much for joining me. That's the end of this month's deliveries, but see you next time when we're building up around the engine anyway. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.